In the curriculum unit documents, lessons are listed in weekly tables. By clicking on the lesson link, you automatically drop down to the location of that lesson in the document. If a link breaks or if you discover that it is linked incorrectly, it's easy to fix that. Sometimes the text might look like this, making it clear that it is no longer linked. In this situation, highlight the text, use the keyboard shortcut Command-K, and then you'll see a list that populates right here below it. The lesson you want might be located right here. If it's not, click on Headings and Bookmarks, and you'll get a list of all of the headings in the entire document from the beginning to the end. So you can scroll down to the week that you're looking for and find that lesson, click on it, and it's linked again. Go ahead and test that link to make sure that it's linked correctly. Sometimes it might look like a lesson is linked, but when you click on it, you get this message that the heading no longer exists. In that case, click on the pencil icon to go into Edit, click on your Headings and Bookmarks, and then scroll down. You can find the week, and then there's a lesson number there. Click on that, test the link, and then you're done.